So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use text to speech in your Android smartphone. But before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So to enable text to speech in your Android smartphone, first of all go to the settings. Here go to the additional settings, or you can go to the search bar and search for accessibility. Here you can see, go to accessibility. Here you can see an option of vision. Click on the vision option. Here you can see text to speech settings. Go to text to speech settings. Here you can see preferred engine. In my phone there's only Google, so that's why. And you can choose language you want. Here you can see various languages you want, or you can just use system language. You can set speech rate and also pitch too. So that's how you can use text to speech in your Android smartphone. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.